Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Sunday. So, for all of you who did not see my card tutorial yesterday, you need to go check it out because I hit the 30,000 subscriber mark. Yay, I thank you so much. I so appreciate you all so much, and I thank you really from the bottom of my heart. And also you need to check out the details on how to get entered into the giveaway because all the details are in that video. All right, so today I'm sharing a quick and easy, but look how cute it is. I love this bundle. This is one of my very favorites, and I say that about a lot of bundles, but this actually is really, it's perfect for me because you know how I love to do treat boxes and bags and stuff like that. But you can fit a ton of candy in this because look at the size. I put a Kit Kat in there and one of those Toblerone bars, but you can actually fit even more in here. But it says chocolate, you make everything better. This could be for any occasion. It's so cute because it's just a little bag and it's super, super easy to make. So we are using for this, let me tell you everything that we're going to use. So this is Melon Mambo, so I am using Melon Mambo on it. But this is the bundle. It's called Nothing's Better Than. And oh my gosh, I've used this several times. I love it. It's got the Love You More dies. So this is a bundle. But if you want the bundle and you want to save 10%, you need to get it before the retiring list goes out. May 4th, the new catalog comes out. So you need to grab this before because if not, you're going to have to pay separate for the dies and you won't save the 10%. Just saying, that 10% counts. So anyway, that is what I'm using. Then for the dies, I'm using this bundle, which is So Sentimental. And I love this. I've used it a ton in videos. This one is retiring as well. So if you want to get this, it's got for just about every occasion on here. And it's been so great. This comes as a bundle, but you can buy this dies separately, which are staying. And these are the Stitch So Sweetly. Yes, Stitch So Sweetly dies. So these are staying, but this is retiring. So if you want this, you need to get it. But it did come as a bundle at one point. Now for the measurements and what you need for this. The dies that I'm using from that is this die right here. And we got to cut 2 of these, which I already did. So I cut 2 of these stitch scalloped rectangles here. And then you need this one as well. This is going to be the front, and I already cut that one out. These are all stitched. They're super adorable. So I don't know if you can catch it in here. It's a little bit bright, but you need that, and that's what I'm using for the front of it. And I already cut these out because we do have some stamping and cutting as well. And I'm going to use my mini cut and emboss for that. So don't forget to check out the video tomorrow. The video yesterday, I should say, not tomorrow, for the giveaway. All right, so you also need a piece that is 2.5 by 9. And then for the handles, you need 2 pieces that are 1/2 by 7 inches. And you're going to need some early espresso, and we're going to use that for the chocolate. And then you need a basic white so that we can stamp our little chocolates on it. So I'm going to do that first because I need to bring the cut and emboss up here, and we're going to cut the chocolate out, but I need to stamp these first. So whenever you're using your blends, always use the Memento ink for this so it won't run. So we are going to cut 2 of these. We're going to fussy cut one of them so we can just use one of the chocolates. So to color this, you're just going to use the bronze Stampin' Emboss, and then we're just going to color these all like they're chocolate. This is very quick and easy coloring. You can color these with different colors originally, and I'm just going to color the center one on this one because we're going to cut this out. right, so I just gave it a little bit of shading. I just added another bit of layering. It's nothing fancy. All right, so let me grab the mini cut and emboss. Isn't this thing super adorable? Oh my gosh, I love this. All right, so we are going to cut both of those out, and we're going to cut one first. And I really advise using some purple tape or some washi tape. It just makes it go easier, and your die won't move around. Isn't this so cute? I love this cut and emboss. All right, so there's one of our chocolates. We're going to do this one, and then we're going to cut out the word chocolate. And you don't even have to cut this one out, because we are going to fussy cut the center one out. So you can do it whichever way you want. It just makes it a hair easier if you run it through, but it's not necessary. All right, so I'm going to just set that aside here a minute. And we're going to put this on and run our word through. All right, let me close this up. I always forget to close it up. And we'll have our word here. I need my paper piercer, get that out. It cuts really good, and all I usually have to do is poke out like one or two of those. All right, so I am going to fussy cut the rest of this out. So you only have to make a few cuts here. Yeah, I'm going to cut a tad off that bottom. There we go. So we have our chocolates ready, and this. Now let's put together the box. It's super easy. You're going to all be super surprised how easy this really is, especially with these dies. Oh my goodness. All right, so we are going to score this, and we are just scoring this at 1/2 inch on both sides. And well, you can do it 1/2 and then 2, or you can just do it 1/2 on each side. On this one, we're going to do it at 2.5 on each end. And that's it. Easy, right? Now, oh my goodness, this thing's driving me crazy today. Just keeps on moving. All right, so what you're going to do is you're just cutting up these, and I'm not cutting away because I want to keep it square. So I am not going to cut away. And we're going to sharpen these. And all of these. Now what I did is I used the Stampin' Seal Plus. I just flipped this over. And then I'm going to put it on the inside, not on this one, but on this piece. And I'm just going to put some little itty bitty, this is just to hold it straight while we put on our multi-purpose glue. So it's just a little tiny bit there. And it's just gonna, this helps you to keep this straight. So just line up that edge to the outer edge there. And this is really a nice, easy way to keep everything nice and square, so you can see. Now I'm going to use some wet glue, and we are going to add our first little scalloped rectangle here. And make sure when you do this, it sits up straight. Make sure you just line it up to the edge there. And then we'll flip that over. And I usually just give it a really good seal there, and then add your, and then we're going to do the same on this side. Make sure your stitching is on the right side too. And then I'm just going to run my finger on the inside of this one. All right, so let's put together the front piece here. So I'm using wet glue again just to add the chocolate. And I love this melon mambo with the early espresso. It really looks cute together. I like the colors together. And I'm kind of curving this around to give it a little bit of an arch. You can do that with this one. Just hold it down for a minute. And then I'm going to stamp using early espresso, and I'm going to stamp You Make Everything Better. This is all from the same bundle. So we're going to put that in the center. This is a cute get well gift too. I think it'd be really cute. And then we're just gonna, you can pop these up if you want, but I'm just gluing them down. Putting one over here. And one on this side. And then I am going to take my little rhinestones, and I'm going to use the dark Melon Mambo blend. And don't use the brush end, use the blunt end, and you're going to color these. I think I had to use the light because I think these are running out. Actually, I'm going to use the dark on this. Oops, don't want to use that side. Alright, so I'm coloring two of them, and we are going to give them a little topping here. Just a little decoration on the top of these. It just needed a little bit of bling, right? Always can use bling. Alright, if I can get it on there. And we're just putting it on the center one. So look how cute. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love this bundle. And then we are going to add the adhesive to the back. I'm going to use the wet glue again. And we're going to center this on here. Isn't it cute? You can even leave it like this. You don't have to put the handles on if you don't want. And then we are going to put the handles. And what I usually do for the handles is I usually just kind of curve it a little bit. It really does help to get these on. And I always use tear and tape on these. And I only put it on the very ends, but the tear and tape really, really holds this. I haven't really tested the Stampin' Seal Plus on these, and I know this works because I've put quite a bit of chocolate in these and they've stayed really well. So I always go for the tear and tape for this. So we're going to remove the backings. And then I usually just grab both ends and curve it this way. And then you're just going to put one on this side and one on this end. And then again, flip it over, do the same thing, remove the backings. And you see how just curving that little bit really helps. And then I just take it like this and then curve those. And then I try to line these up the best I can so they're even here. And then last but not least, we are going to use some early espresso. This is the faux suede trim. And I'm going to tie a bow on it. It needed that little bit of extra early espresso. So I'm just tying a cute little bow here. And we're going to trim those ends. Of course, whenever I do the video, I always get my bows upside down. So let me do it again because it will bug me until I get it right. All right, this one's better. We're not going to fool too long with it. All right, I'm going to just trim the one end a little bit more. All right, so there you go. It's all done. put a bunch of chocolates in it and it'd be super cute. Isn't that fun? It's super quick. So you can do this for just any occasion. Birthdays, Mother's Day even, you can do it. You can put something, a mom on here, or just anything. Get well, like I said, it'd be really cute. Don't forget to go check out the video yesterday so you can get entered into the giveaway. And I'm going to be announcing it on Sunday, the winner of that. And be sure to come back and check, because if you don't claim it, you lose out. So I hope you all have a blessed one. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. And I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.